What exactly is bending moment? Why do we calculate stress when we already have the forces? Why prying force is important? Why steel connections are the most crucial part in any steel structure? If you are an engineer, architect, student, or simply curious about the structures, and if you have similar questions as mentioned earlier, then this is the channel for you. Welcome to Structure Simplified, where we explore the fascinating world of building design, analysis, and optimization. And I am your host, Parishit Jayan. We cover a wide range of topics related to structural engineering, from the fundamentals of statics to the latest software tools. And more importantly, we focus on how to use automations and programming to leverage time on using the softwares. We also delve into advanced topics like structural optimization, which is one of my favorite. Our videos feature a variety of formats and styles, including step by step tutorials, software tutorials, programming to optimize time, and real world case studies. So, what are you waiting for? If you're ready to expand your knowledge, sharpen your skills, and connect with a vibrant community of like minded professionals, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.